Good evening, everyone. So here we are with the Eight of Suits, Eight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Right? As I already tell you in all my videos that you should first go with the vibes, with your intuition, and then with the meanings. So whatever vibes first you are get when you pick the card is the most accurate answer you get. Right? And tarot cards is actually the accuracy is almost 100%. Isn't it? Okay, so we again comes with the next suit, which is Eight of Wands. So whenever you look this card, I already says you that whenever you look to the card, you must look how many living beings are there, what is the color of the card, what is the number of the card. Whatever you are seeing in the cards mostly makes sense, right? When you look at this card, there is no living being in the card, but you can see the greenery out there. What does it greenery means? Growth, right? House, whenever you see the property, whenever you see the house, basically it shows the marriage, basically it shows the property gain, basically it shows a good growth, right? So it is also good card for the marriage, it is also a good card for growth, greenery. And when you see these swans are coming into the air, means air mode travel, air, 8 number is basically the number of struggles. So all these cards shows you struggles, all these cards shows you obstacle. But when you come to this, you will gain so many clients out here, because these are the 8 ones, which is showing that so many clients are coming toward you. And you are not even able to handle these clients. So there are so many clients are coming toward you. It is a very positive kind of card, right? And air travel, it shows growth, marriage, clients, struggle, everything it is showing. So it is good in all the perspective, in the perspective of finances, in the perspective of clients, in the perspective of career, in the perspective of health, and perspective of traveling also. In the perspective of struggle also, of course, you will gain after a hard work, you will gain after a struggle. So it is basically a positive card in all the perspective. On the perspective of relationship also, when you will marry this person, if you marry this person, you may travel with this person a lot, and it is a positive card overall. Okay, now coming to the next card, which is again the Eight of Pentacles. So when you see this Eight of Pentacles, this person is doing his work with concentration, with focus, means there is a good focus there, right? This person is know how to create the focus, is having that kind of energy. He has already done this work. This work is left, means more than half of the work is almost completed. 90% of the work of this person is completed, and only 10% work is left out here, right? You can see at back there are lots of property. This person is wearing the clothes which are already toned out, means this person is having the money, he know how to work, but he's not spending on himself. He's having the materialistic gain. The red color is here, the blue color is here. Blue shows knowledge, wisdom. He's having that knowledge, he's having that wisdom, he's having the expertise in doing the work. He's an expert person who is expert into this work, right? And you should definitely hire this person. If company is looking for this, then this company should definitely hire this person, because it will show his expertise in his work. He's having that skill of doing that work. 90% of the work is completed. Knowledge, wisdom, materialistic gain, good for growth, more concentration is required, or maybe this person is already having the focus. Both situation can be there. Struggle is there, lots of hard work. Basically, it is showing more work through hands. Handwork is more there. Okay, where by the way, on all the cards, all the 8-number card shows more obstacle, struggles, and handwork and hard work, both. Okay, everything it shows. So this is also a good card, which is like Eight of Pentacles, positive card in all the perspective, in finances, growth, investment, relationship also. He thinks more about his family rather than himself, and it is all perspective. It is good for all the perspective overall. Now coming to the next card, which is Eight of Cups. Cup shows emotion. He is going in a different direction than emotions. Mean what he give more preference to? He give more preference toward materialistic things. He is also wearing red. He is giving more importance toward the materialistic things rather than the emotions. He is leaving these emotions and going toward the materialistic gain. Right now he might not be handling, or might be there is a negative situation. It can also shows his leg issues, because again he is holding the stick. Whenever you see a person holding a stick, means he might be handling or might be having leg issues, walking issues, or any kind of such issues. When you see these moon and sun both, when do you see moon and sun both together? You have already seen also in the card of moon, it is showing the eclipse mode. Maybe right now it is not the good time to take the decision. He should be settled down. He should not take any decision specifically for 2 months. It's basically the time period this card shows us of 2 months. He should not take any kind of a decision for this 2 months. Right? And after 2 months, things will settle down. Right now, eclipse time going on his life, and he should avoid or say no to the situation or the people who are not giving respect to him. So it is that kind of a card. Right now he's in a negative mode or a negative energy, but things will resolve out in 2 months. He should give more importance toward the emotions. Right? 1 cup is missing here also. He's having that leg issues, dependency, it also shows negative situation. So it is basically not good card for relationship. It is not good card for finances. It is not good card for emotions. It is not good card for investment, for career, and it is not even good card for health issues. Right? So it is not good card in all the perspective, and he is handling that struggle. He is handling that obstacle in his life. So it is overall not that good card. Okay. Now coming to the 8 of Swords. When you see this 8 of Swords, this woman is already binded and blindfold also. Like there is a cloth on his eyes as well. And when you see this card, there is 8 of Swords here. But she can walk away easily. She is not able to see, but if she wants, she can walk away easily from this situation. But she is not coming out of it. Right? She is not able to come out of it. Why? Because there is lots of belief in his mind. Swords basically shows the mind energy, and there are so much limiting beliefs in his mind or negative mindset that or might be there is a kind of a family, there is a kind of a people around her who is not supporting her, that she can't able to come out of the situation. The basic reason is that she is not able to come out is her own limiting belief, is her own negative thoughts, is her own thoughts. Right? And she should change all these things. Till the time she will not change these things, she will not come out of the situation. Negative situation is right now. She is feeling herself binded, but actually she is not binded. She is only feeling that. Okay? So it is also not that good card for investment, finances, health, or any kind of a situation. These both are negative cards. These both are positive cards. And this is all about the 8 of Suits. I hope you have understood it in a good way. And so meet you in the next video with the 8 suits. All the best till then.